How's it going, y'all? My name is Aiden Anderson, and this is the Moscow Minutes. I'll be bringing you the latest from the Latah County Commissioner meetings from the week of March 12th, 2023. Highlights from this week include a meeting with the Planning and Building Department, a juvenile justice report, and 2 resolutions regarding the destruction of county records. Let's get into it. To start things off, the commissioners met with the head of the Planning and Building Department for a regular monthly meeting. Discussion was focused primarily on a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, which the county holds with the City of Moscow on a variety of projects. This MOU has recently expired, and while still in the process of renewing it, the department asked the commissioners whether they ought to take a more in-depth look at the items listed in the MOU in the event that the county wants to make changes with the agreement. The commissioners agreed that this was the right course of action, and the meeting proceeded with various updates and items for future agendas, such as department expenditure documentation and work on the county comprehensive plan. Next, the commissioners heard a juvenile justice report from the previous year. This report dealt with the various legal cases involving minors that the county has handled in 2022. A couple points of interest from this report. While there is a noted decline in total cases as compared to previous years, the age group that comprises the bulk of the cases has shifted lower, with more and more cases involving children that are of 12 to 13 years of age, indicating that kids are getting involved with activities that require legal action earlier in life than in previous years. The presenters indicated to the commissioners that one possible explanation for this behavior may be that the COVID lockdowns prevented access to normal levels of socialization, thus creating problems now that the kids are back in school. That being said, this discussion was mostly speculative based on the data in the Justice Report. With that done, the commissioners moved on to some action items. A good number of these were the approvals of previous agreements, renewals, and updates, with some highlights including a court-appointed attorney-provider agreement, which formalizes the relationship between the county and an attorney appointed by the magistrate court judge, and an Idaho Commerce GEM grant agreement, which provides the county with $42,500 in matching funds for work on the new Hoodoo Water District sewage and waste facility. The commissioners then passed 2 new resolutions at this meeting, Resolution 2023-07 and 2023-08. Both of these resolutions had to do with the destruction of county records, some from the prosecuting attorney's office and some from the ITS department. The county destroys records or files when they deal with old projects, cases, or situations which are fully closed or resolved. This helps them free up space for new records which are coming in, and these resolutions are part of the process that allows them to do so. In the case of these 2 resolutions, the commissioners thus approved the destruction of some closed case files from the prosecutor's office and the destruction of some computer forensic files from 2021 belonging to the ITS department. The commissioners then approved clerical corrections to property recapture documents from February 21st and approved 11 property tax exemptions. They then went into their weekly review where each commissioner gives an update as to what they've been doing recently, some highlights being a meeting with the residents of local mobile home parks, work with the county grant writers, and various events and meetings with special districts. The commissioners then conducted an executive session for attorney-client communication before going off the record for the day. And that's the latest from the Latah County Commissioners. As always, we'll have the relevant links posted with this video, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Aiden Anderson with the Moscow Minutes. See you next time.